Hi guys, good morning. Char. I don't know how to explain, but my heart not on good condition. Oh, Charis. Bitaw no, so bugat ang akong feeling ron. It's because you know na life so fucking difficult. Gusto na ko mahilak pero I don't know nga hindi ko kahilak pod. And I don't know what should be the reason para mahilak ko. And then so basta uy bugat ang akong heart. I don't know. Okay, it's because man jud na lagi gamay nga problema, but kaya raman kung kaya nun. Don't know eh, mamatay na siguro ko. Mura na akong live update. My heart is not well, not feeling well. So basta kahilak kong ko pero di ko kahibaw mo kung saan ko paghilak. Bye. Love you.